Hi, in this video I am going to talk about freshwater resources. Freshwater are the water which is contain only very minimal amount of salt. Unlike the seawater, which is having huge amount of dissolved salt, the freshwater is typically containing only less than 1% of dissolved salt. Even the earth is covered by huge amount of water. Most of this water is unusable. Maybe it is due to the presence of salt, the seawater. About 97% of earth water is seawater, which cannot be used for human consumption, and most of the plants and animals cannot use this water for growth. And another major portion of the water is in the form of ice, permanent ice, which is not readily available for use. So 99% of water on earth cannot be used directly for human or any other plants or animals. Only 1% is actually available for consumption. Out of this 1%, 99% is groundwater, and rest is constituted by rivers and lakes. The primary source of fresh water is precipitation. Precipitation in the form of mist, rain, or snow. It's a part of water cycle, and when the water evaporates from the clouds and it precipitates, it's a form of redistribution of water. The land is getting water due to precipitation. But this precipitation is not evenly distributed in the earth. If you look at the graph map, in the equatorial region is having huge amount of precipitation. So in the blue color it shows the availability of water. The equatorial region is having huge amount of water. It is getting it from the precipitation. But at a 30 degrees the precipitation is very low. You can see the great deserts here. It is because of the less precipitation due to the geographical features. So the water availability changes in different places based on the latitude. The other thing is that all fresh water cannot be potable. We cannot drink the fresh water. The rivers we have fresh water, but we cannot directly drink that river water because it is having different types of contaminants. So even though water is fresh, we need to have some type of sort of treatments before using it for human consumption. And the other thing is that the freshwater resources can be easily contaminated. Because of different reasons, the freshwater resources can be easily contaminated, and a huge population on earth is actually do not have access to the safe drinking water. So there are different freshwater resources: ice sheets, ice caps, glaciers, iceberg blocks, ponds, etc. But most of them cannot be used for humans or any of the plants, animals, or birds, anything. So the most available freshwater resources are lakes, rivers, and groundwater. And some of these water resources are classified as surface freshwater. Surface freshwater is a body of water found in the earth's surface, which is the most easily accessible form of freshwater. And there are different types of surface freshwater resources. One is the permanent surface water, which includes rivers and lakes. It used to have the water throughout the year. And semi-permanent surface water, which form the water body only during certain times of period of year, maybe after the rain. The resource is having the water, but after the rain in the summer season, there may not be enough water. So those are called the semi-permanent surface water. Finally, we have the man-made surface water, which is in the dams and other reservoirs we made. So they are the man-made sources of fresh water. And the source of surface fresh water is the precipitation, rain and its runoff is acting as the primary source of uh, fresh water, and evaporation and seepage is actually losing the fresh water from the surface resources. In the next video, we will be talking about important water resources starting from the lakes. Thank you.